Hey guys, it's Jerry Middleman Battaglia again with another 1957 Buick Special. This car, I was told it was used to go into Texas and Mexico to pick up drugs. It was a drug running car. Car needs full restoration. But pretty awesome. (1957) Buick Special 2-door. All these cars are for sale. If you're out here in Florida, motor. V8 in there. Guys, please like and share this video. If you need to contact me about this car, my phone number is 631-620-1046. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comments down below. Jerry Middleman Battaglia. Have a great day.